Okay, so for this problem, we are asked to find two different angles that are shown in the picture. So what we're going to do, we start by looking at the picture and we notice that there's a little box right here. This little box tells us that these two angles are equal to 90 degrees. This is a right angle. So what we're going to do is we're going to set these two equations. If they're added together, they're going to give us this whole angle, which is equal to 90 degrees. So this would look like 3x minus 38. So this is the top angle right here. And this bottom angle is 5x. So if we add them together, that's going to give us the whole angle, which is indicated on the picture. It is 90 degrees. So we're going to set this equal to 90. And we're going to solve for x so that we can figure out what the angles are equal to. So we start by combining like terms on this left side of the equation. So we have 3x and 5x. Those are like terms, so we're going to add them, and that gives us 8x. And we are still left with the minus 38 equals 90. So we're going to try to get x by itself. So we're going to move the 38 over to the right side. So we're going to add 38 so that it cancels, and add 38 over here. This cancels, and it leaves us with 8x on the left side. And this is equal to 128. So we have 8x equals 128. So we are going to divide by 8 right here. And 128 divided by 8. And so 8 goes into 12 one time. Subtract. We're left with 4. Bring down the 8. 8 goes into 48 6 times. So 6 times 8 is 48. And we are left with 0, so it does divide evenly. So x is equal to 16. Okay, so what do we do with this information from here? We take x and we plug it back into our original equation so that we can get the top angle and the bottom angle. So the top angle, if we look at the picture, is 3x minus 38. So let's plug x in so that we can get the angle measure. So 3, instead of x, we're going to replace it with 16 minus 38. Okay? 3 times 16 gives us 48. Minus 38 gives us 10. So the top angle is 10 degrees. Okay? And so now the bottom portion of the angle, we're going to also do the same thing and plug x in so that we know what it equals. So here's our equation, 5x. We're going to plug in 16 for x. So we have 5 times 16. This gives, if we work this out, 16 times 5 gives us 6 times 5 is 30. 5 plus 3 is 8. So the bottom angle is 80. And one way that you can check if you are correct is to see if these do in fact add up to 90, since this is a 90-degree angle, which they do, so that we know we are correct.